All right, so this is how a Django inventory project would look like, building with Django, obviously. Now, this is not the totality of the project, but this is something that could get us working inside the inventory department, right? So I'm just going to be walking us through what we're going to be building in this tutorial, and you can replicate this, add more functionalities to fit your own requirement, and obviously deploy. So in here, I'll just be signing in with my username and password. So that will be Chidi, Chidi just like this. And I'll put in my password, hit enter. And this would sign me in. So this is obviously my dashboard environment. And I will be showing you guys, I'll just walk you guys through everything. So let's say we want to add something new to the inventory. Say we have ball, right? Let's just use ball for example. So we're going to call it ball. And so when we were adding this ball to the inventory, say the item that was remaining or the item we had while adding ball to the inventory was, let's say 20, and then the quantity warning, let's say 5. So this basically means that when the item gets below 5, we want to like trigger a warning that says, oh, this item would soon be finished. You have to like restock or something. And here we're going to say, is this item available? We'll just check this, and then we'll click on submit, right? So here I obviously have other items, but let's just make do with this ball, right? So I'm going to refresh, and now you can see ball here, quantity 20 is available, true. Quantity warning is 5, and then timestamp when this ball was added. You can see this, right? So here I can click on view. Now, view obviously gives me inventory history for this ball. So it's going to give me the action of incoming and outgoing for this ball here. So incoming is obviously when I'm buying new ball quantity, and outgoing is what I'm probably giving it out to a customer or vendor or employee or something, right? Okay, so we can do incoming. So let's say we got a new quantity. So we got like 10. All right, so see from this vendor called Contoso. And then let's not add any comments. We just click on submit here. And here you can see incoming. All right, so you see quantity is 10, quantity remaining is 30. Here we have timestamp, we have user, we have vendor, and here we have comments none, right? So this is the person that added the quantity remaining, etc. So here we have 30 before it was 20, and here we have 30 now, right? So we can come over here again and we can say, okay, we want to probably give out 5. So we can just say 5 and then click on submit. Now here you can see now outgoing is 5, quantity remaining is 25. It was done by this guy, and obviously there was no vendor involved. That's why this is left blank. And here you can see comments is none, right? So we can come over here now and let's see the experience where we go below 5. We can probably assign, let's say 21, right? So we can just say quantity, let's do 21, click on submit, right? Now you can see item is below threshold, right? You can see like the warning basically because now it's now less than 5. So you see item is below the threshold. Now let's try to assign 10. Now you can see like the quantity remaining is 4, but now let's try to assign 10 and let's see what happens here. So if I should do outgoing and then I try to assign 10 and I click on submit, here it tells me this exceeds what's in the store, right? So it's not going to assign anything because obviously we don't have 10 to assign to any person, right? Because it wouldn't make sense to assign 10 when we don't have up to 10. And yeah, that would give us an error in the database, right? So that's just the logic for the inventory. We can come over here and still add more. So we want to add like 10 more, and then we can just say, oh, got it from Contoso, guys. Right? So say Contoso here, and we'll click on submit. And there you can see that warning has gone out, and here you can obviously come over here and you can see, this has been added and populated, and you can see this too has been populated as well too. All right, so we can come over here and search for something. You can probably say book here, click enter, and this would give us any item that has book in it. You can see this one came out, which is obviously company book. You can view this, right? See all the information or see the inventory history regarding to company book. We can also come here as well and we can click on updates to update this. Probably can just say company books or something, click on submit. Now you can see this has changed. Or we can even delete this company book, click on delete, and that will be deleted from the database basically. And then you can see the whole experience with the inventory management system. You can capitalize on this, build other requirements attached to this, and just improve the functionality. So I'll see you in the whole coding experience where we get to build this up from scratch. But until then, happy coding.